I'm back. I show you. This is another crochet project, and it's a crochet box with the crochet flower kit. Okay, I only have 1 2 3 4 5 7 only crochet. Okay, and let me to show you the blue one first. This is the blue, and here I didn't put anything. I just see what you prefer to put for the closure. So I just make this one so you can use the flower as a closure or whatever you like. So I just leave it like so, and let me to show you. This is how it turned out. And if you want, you can screw the cardstock inside, so the box the shape will be look nice. If you want, you can add the cardstock inside. Okay, so use like a keepsake box or album, whatever you like to do. Okay, now I show you the flower. Total you will receive 25 flowers, big and small, different flower. So let me do the tray and okay, to show you all the flowers with the matching. This is the blue and pink theme, so I match the color with the blue and pink. So these, okay, the tangle leaf, you will have two, but different. Okay, like so. This one I didn't provide the center for you, so you just glue whatever you like for the center piece here, the flower. So you got two of this one, then also with this layer pink, another one like so, and also one more this. Okay, and this one, this big one, it's crochet, and this, okay, and these two, and one, the bell flower, and all this is the flat flower, all different. Total is 14 different color. Okay, like so. Crochet is a time consuming project, but I really enjoy to do this. So this is the blue one. Okay, and now I show you this brown and the green one. So the same. Some is different. This two is with the, you can see the edges here, this one. So this two is the price with this. I make it, the price is different too. Okay, also is 25 pieces of the flower. Okay, you can see this one, these two, tangle one, and also one of these, and two of these, and different flower, Okay, and this one also different color of this theme. Oh, 14 also. Oh, one more, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 14. All different colors one. Okay, put like so. Or flower. And now I'll show you this. Like and this one is here. And this is without the edge. Okay, so just a box. So inside, yeah, you can add the cardstock just like what I say. Okay, and I'll show you the flower. This. So I got 2 of these. This is my hand dye, yeah, color, very soft color, and the bright one, and this one with the tangle. Okay, got 2 of these, and one of the bell flower. You got this. You can see this one is the shimmer. Yeah, got the sequins. And this one without. And yeah, you got 2 of these. And 2 of these. Okay, and all this is for 14. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14. Hey, let me check. Yeah, 14. Altogether is 14 flower here. So, full of flower. So, let me show you another one. This one also without the ruffle. Okay, so that's so. And the flower is this. Yeah, so got these 2. And this one also. And this one. And let me just show. Yeah, this one. And the dark brown. And this one. Okay. As for the tangle one, you got 2 of these. And 1 of these. And also 14 of these. I think yeah, also the same. So this one, I will write down is, yeah, what number and what, yeah, which number, so you can, I will post the different pictures, so you, if you're interested, you just leave a comment under this picture. Okay, another of this green color, but the flower is different also. So you got 1 of these. and I use the, you can see the glitter, the shimmer yarn to crochet this one. Got to do this. 1, 2 is the big one, and this is the medium, yeah, these two, and this one, you see sequins, yeah, shimmer one. Another one is this, and two of this. Okay, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I make this total 14. Okay, altogether is 25. So like so. Another, yeah, this is my hand dye yarn color, so you can see the color is got 2 tone. Okay, yeah, for this box you can make a mini book, put inside, yeah, see whatever you like. This one, the bell flower. Okay, and this hand dye, yeah, color, very soft, with the tangle one. And this one, it's got the sequins. I got 2, and another one, and one more small one, and here different small, different color flower. Okay, so and this one is same the box, but the flower I'm not sure is it same, because I already, yeah, almost the same, but maybe some of the color flower is different. Okay, this one, big flower, this one, oh, this one got 2 bell flower, maybe, oh, no, I think, oh no, only one. Okay, and this one, okay, and all this flat flower. Yeah, you can use all this into your project, and only got 7, so yeah, if you are interested, just leave a comment under the picture. And yeah, thanks again for everyone for your support. And yeah, I halfway picking, so now I have to go now, and I will come back and show you another crochet project. And bye bye.